Good afternoon, everyone. So for this presentation, I will use the evaluation framework that I developed, the SBCC Aligned Levels Framework, to evaluate a social marketing program or social marketing mobilization made by my classmates. So for this presentation, Uh, I will evaluate the campaign #BowFreePH implemented by the Philippine Commission on Women or the PCW, reported by Ms. Mariel Samson, using the framework that I developed, which is the SBCC Aligned Levels Framework. For a short backgrounder, my framework is composed of 6 levels: the implementation, exposure, the levels of knowledge, level of social norms, level of policy or institutional support, and the level of sustained behavior change. And for each level, it consists of 2 indicators measured by 5-3-1 metric scale. So let's dive in. So again, the title of the program is Vow Free PH. Implementing agency is the Philippine Commission on Women. For the first indicator, the extent of SBCC activity implementation, I gave a rating of 5. I must say that the campaign has wide range of activities and uses multiple communication channels or approaches. So I gave it a rating of 5. Whereas on the second indicator, the availability of resources and implementation support, also I gave a rating of 5 for the campaign since the institutional support is present there, such as support from the national government agencies, SUCs, and from the public and private sectors to implement the campaign's activities. So for the first level, it has 10 points. So to the level of exposure, uh, first one is the percentage of target audience exposed to the campaign messages. So for this one, I will give 3 points or moderate participation. My reason is that while I believe that there are a lot of raising awareness activities about the campaign, the participation in the grassroots level, like community and barangays, are not that large in audience support. So that's the reason for giving 3 points. And the same goes with the second indicator, which is the community participation in activities. I also gave 3 points. For the third level or the level of knowledge, for the first indicator, I gave 3 points also. The desired behavior is anchored in the objective of the campaign to raise awareness, encourage reporting, etc. And I think uh, individually, it falls under between 40 to 69%. So that's the reason for giving 3 points. And the same goes with the second indicator, the self-efficacy, uh, whether the individual can perform the desired behavior. In my view, it falls under moderate. So 3 points. For this level of social norms, so the first indicator, which is perceived community support, I could easily give it a rating, a grade of 5 points, such that most people approve and support such behavior. And second indicator, there is high and inclusive engagement among the private and public sectors, especially during the National Women's Month. during March and November. So for that reason, I gave 5 points. Next level is the level of policy and institutional support. So the campaign of Bow Free PH is supported by RA 9262, or the Anti-Violence Against Women and Their Children Act of 2004. And there is the PCW with the institutional support across all government agencies and private sectors. So given that reasons, those reasons, I gave a rating of 5 points. And for the second indicator, availability and accessibility of the services, I'm not that sure about the wide range availability and accessibility of services and resources. So with that, I gave 3 points. And for the last level, the level of sustained behavior change, the first indicator pertains to the sustained adoption of the desired behavior. So I think this earns only 3 points because the adoption is irregular or partial. But for the last indicator, I could easily give 5 points for that because the improvement and its relevance is very evident. So in total, the using it my evaluation, it got 48 out of 60 points. So to summarize the score gathered, for the category level interpretation, for the level of implementation, it is high performance. Level of exposure with 6 points, moderate performance. The same rating is for the level of knowledge, 6 points. Level of social norms, 10 points, high performance. And both levels of policy, institutional support, and sustained behavior change got 8 points with high performance. So overall framework interpretation, hashtag VowPH campaign got a total score of 48 out of 60 points. And based on our table, the interpretation falls under having strong contribution across levels. So that's it. That's the result of my evaluation. So thank you for watching.